Hi guys, this is Rokaman Creative. As you can see, this is water. So I will use this lighter to burn this water to know if it will open. You see it? Let's try it. What is happening now? It's not who can tell me what is happening here? Who can tell me the mechanism that is happening here? It's not open yet. Hello guys, please say it in the comment section. What is happening here? See? Ouch. Please say it in the comment section. What is happening here? The mechanism. Why is this water not opening? Those of you that read physics, what is happening here? Hello guys. Wow, what just happened? Wow, it's somehow hot. What just happened here? I think there's opening here. Opening. Okay, just one dot. Wow. Please don't forget to subscribe to Rokaman Creative. Like, share, comment.